Today we're doing a huge hair transformation. I've been waiting for this all weekend. Like
Me too. I've been waiting.
And I know today you're like, be there exactly at 12:30. I was like rushing.
I was like, we're starting on time. We have a day ahead of us.
So basically, should we just talk about? So my hair right now is like, how many inches would you say? It's right above my boot. I mean,
it's like 18-ish. Okay, maybe.
So we have my hair is like right here. Honestly, that my hair grows quickly because look how much root I have. Like,
yeah, your hair grows
really quick because like I remember literally, you know, we highlighted it in like it was like June,
March.
End of June. We did. I have a photo.
Oh really?
Isn't that wild? Look, yeah.
March, April, May, June, July.
Like, wait, we highlighted it in June, or was it July? I'll show you. This is the date.
Why can't I know my months? June, July, August, September. Yeah, 4 months.
This day, June 19th.
Oh, that's right.
We highlighted it like this, and Mia was here also.
Those are some good photos that we took with Meme.
She was so, and like, this is how long it was when I first got it done. And then obviously when you like blow it out, shameless self-promotion Instagram, when you blow it out a lot, like, and etc., like it gets kind of like broken. So also, guys, Mia has an Instagram. I finally made her an Instagram because everyone would be like, does your dog have an Instagram? Does your dog have? And she acts so funny. Like, you know what I mean? Do you see that video of her on my story in the car when we were driving? Watch this video.
Meme.
Like, she was like relaxing. So she's so funny, so I feel like she deserved it. But
here's your natural hair.
Wow. Actually,
it's like not, it's like longer.
Yeah, it's growing. It's because of all the supplements.
Supplements, not like over highlighting.
And so today, what are we gonna do? Do you want to explain the spill the tea?
Today we are taking out her old hair, getting rid of that one, highlighting, doing a little highlight shadow root situation that we always
I want it bright again because I feel like it just got like dark. Yeah,
and then we have new hair. Extra
long. We're gonna put in like new beads and new tape.
We'll show you what it looks like when it's the longest. I doubt we're gonna keep it that long because it's a little overwhelming. But we might.
But we'll probably won't. But just to show, it's gonna be like funny
because it's gonna be really fun.
You can throw it away.
Bye, hair. So here we are. Back at step 2, took all the hair out. Now we're just doing a little highlight.
I didn't realize how dark my hair was. Not dark, but you know what I mean? Like, I just remember in my mind. Yeah, because this hair's so blonde, right? And so, like, in my mind, I always think of my hair as such bright blonde. Or, like, and in photos, it looks a lot brighter because of the extensions. But like, just seeing my actual hair, it's like a dark blonde. Like, these are pretty, like, dark.
Well, over time, when you use a lot of purple shampoo and stuff, it just builds up. So we usually get it pretty bright.
Mm-hmm. You think it'll
just be nice and fresh today.
It'll be really bright again today, like in that photo. Mm-hmm. Yay, that'll be so nice. I look like a rock and roll chick right now.
You are.
Like this is what the symbol is. So this is rock and roll. This is what? This is cowabunga.
No, that's rock and roll.
Oh, sorry. What's this? What's that one where surfers do?
This one.
Oh, okay, yeah.
I'm like, wait, what?
Wasn't a dog beach, but okay, literally this lifeguard was like, ma'am, like, you can get a ticket. And I was like, well, can you give me a ticket? And he's like, no, like a police officer can give you a ticket. He's like, yeah, but it's just like not allowed. And I was like, okay, sir, I understand and I really respect you, but I'm gonna walk my dog. He's like, ma'am, like, you cannot have your dog here. And I was like, sir, with all due respect, like, I'm gonna walk my dog.
I know, when you said Malibu, I was like, I don't think it's dog beach. The only dog beach is Long Beach.
There is a dog beach in Malibu, but it's really far out. And we went to Dockweiler because the traffic to Malibu is so much. But we still, she went in the water a little bit, but after she realized the water like makes her cold. When a wave would come, she'd be like walk along the shore and she'd see the wave coming, she'd like turn back and trot really quick to run. Wow. Here we go.
all the things.
All like this is such a look.
It's the best look, right?
Honestly, I can't wait for it to be so bright again. That's like when you feel the best, you know? Like when it's so bright and fresh. And it's not only like the bright, it's a combination of bright and fresh plus fresh extensions. I don't know if there's any feeling like that. It's almost as good as Q-tipping your ears. So, we are about to heat up. Oh, is it heating already? Heating the foils. Okay.
Yeah, a little warmth here.
A little warm. Nice. And then
here's the precious.
Oh my, so how many, we're gonna put all of it in, right?
1, 2, there's 7 bundles here.
Will we fit them all in my head? That'd be
pretty much, yeah.
Oh my gosh, so how many of them are bead and how many of them are tape?
2 are tape, the rest are bead.
Oh my gosh.
Crazy, right?
Which ones are, oh my gosh, which ones are tape?
This. These 2.
Wow. Prostitute?
No, I mean, powerful. No, you heard us.
Put this back on so I don't get it all over here.
I was like, you look very powerful.
I thought you were like,
You're also giving me like Pamela Anderson vibes.
Oh, she's kind of like known for being like a prostitute.
No, she was on Baywatch, early young Pamela Anderson. She's not a prostitute, right?
She's not a prostitute, but she's like, you know, a sex icon.
I mean, once I was at a cafe,
Don't you want to be a sex
this
icon?
old 80-year-old man was like, oh, you look like, and he showed me this woman. And I said her name, and I was like, oh, I don't know who it is. He's like, she's old now, she's like 80 now. And later I looked up her name, and she was known for being a sex icon. And I was kind of like disgusting to say to someone. Also, I was dressed like very wholesome.
Like this?
Yeah. Like there. Is that too long? What are your thoughts? No, can you be honest? Can you just not lie?
Come here.
Do you think it's going to be too long?
Oh no, let's do it first.
Okay.
I mean, that's technically 22 inches. I mean,
Yeah.
you know, we're cutting off 2. So let's just start here, and then if, obviously, you can cut more off.
Yeah, you can't add more, but you can cut more. And we'll add layers in, right? So it'll look like kind of,
Yeah. Like normal.
yeah.
Hair magician.
She is. She like gets the color so perfect. Like she highlighted my hair. Look how it matched all. There's like 4 different colors of extensions in here, and she highlighted my hair.
Yeah,
That
she
it all
blended
matches
those. I
it.
saw like, well, in the short time I was here, she was like, can I have a light one? Can I have a dark one? I'm like, so she's doing science.
She's doing God's work.
She's doing the Lord's work.
To be honest, I watched the first 2 episodes. I was so traumatized by how intense it was
Isn't it
that like I
intense?
like couldn't get
We're
past
trying
that.
to portray like every teenage issue in like one season.
In one season, and so then like all my friends were like, "No, you have to keep going," because I love like art direction and stuff like that. So everyone's like, "The art direction's amazing,"
Yeah,
and
like
like,
Addie, the girl with the like the rhinestone.
Yeah.
Love it.
Wait, so what are they trying to portray? Like the drugs issue, drugs and sex?
Yeah, and like prescription drug
the freaking
issues.
17-year-old girl is a drug addict.
Dude, and you know why she was a drug addict? Because her dad was like dying of cancer, and she would like popped into his like
His
she was
little
taking care
pain
of him.
meds.
Yeah, and she started taking some of his pain meds while he was like zonked out, you know, hooked up to an IV or what have you. And again, I think like what they're trying to do is like shine light on this stuff, but also like scandalize it
Yeah,
because
It's
like,
based on a
And
high
they're
school
trying
in
to
LA,
make it
right?
known.
Isn't it? Someone said it's based on a high school in LA.
it's probably based on like every high school.
I know.
One of my clients, her niece came in here one day, and I asked her, I was like, "How is high school?
Yeah,
Tell me."
but
She goes, "It's literally that show," and I was
Wow.
traumatized ever since then too.
so
I was like,
we're
"Oh,
not
shit."
having kids.
That's what I was like, honestly,
Yeah.
what's it gonna be like when I have kids?
Because you
like,
can raise the most loving, amazing child, but if like you're really surrounding them with like kids whose like parents aren't working on them or like helping them work through the bullshit they're like putting them through, then that stuff will seep into your kids' lives. Like, you know,
Do we have volume or what?
We have
I'll
volume.
have volume. Do you
I
see
can't
that?
even see. I can't even see the
The end of it?
Yeah, your hair looks bomb.